राम राम राम। सर्वेभ्यः हृत्पूर्वक नमस्काराः। श्रीरामभुजङ्गप्रयातस्तोत्रपारायणाभ्यासकक्ष्यायां सर्वेषां स्वागतम्। अद्य वयम् अग्रे स्तोत्रं पठिष्यामः। A warm welcome to all of you to session 6 of Learn to Chant Shri Ramabhujanga Prayata Stotram, composed by Adi Shankara Bhagavat Padacharya. So today we will learn 21 onwards. We have completed 20 verses. We will quickly recap the 5 verses we have learned yesterday and we will proceed with the stotram. As usual, we will begin with Guru Vandanam and Mangala Shlokaha. All of you please sit up straight and chant the Guru Vandanam and Mangala Shlokaha. Gururev gatir gurumev bhaje गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानामालयं करुणालयम् नमामि भगवत्पादशङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। भारतीतीर्थवर्यन्तं भक्तहृत्तापनाशनं भवभीतिहरं देवं भावये सततं हृदि। विद्याविनयसम्पन्नं वीतरागं विवेकिनं वन्दे वेदान्ततत्त्वज्ञौ विधुशेखरभारतीम्। अनन्तगुणसम्पन्नामनन्ताभिधयाश्रुताम् अनन्तज्ञानदात्रीं तां मातरं प्रणुमो वयम्। गैर्वाण्या संविबोधेन जीवनं मौल्यसंयुतं या करोत्तान्नमाम्यम्बां शारदामूर्तरूपिणी। विशुद्धं परं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं गुणाधारमाधारहीनौ वरेण्यं महान्तं विभान्तं गुहान्तं गुणान्तं सुखान्तं स्वयं धाम रामं प्रपद्ये। शिलापित्वदङ्घ्रिक्षमासङ्गिरेणुप्रसादाद्धि राम नरस्त्वत्पदद्वन्द्वसेवाविधानात् सुचैतन्यमेतीति किञ्चित्रमत्र पवित्रं चरित्रं विचित्रं त्वदीयं नराये स्मरन्त्यन्वहं रामचन्द्र भवन्तं भवान्तं भरन्तं भजन्तो लभन्ते कृतान्तं न पश्यन्त्यतोऽन्ते। स पुण्यः स गण्यः शरण्यो ममायन्नरो वेदयो देवचूडामणिं त्वाम् सदाकारमेकञ्चिदानन्दरूपं मनोभागगम्यं परं धाम राम। प्रचण्ड प्रताप प्रभावाभिभूत प्रभूतारि वीर प्रभो रामचन्द्र बलन्ते कथं वर्ण्यतेऽतीव बाल्ये यतो खण्डिचण्डीशको दण्डदण्डम् दशग्रीवमुग्रं सपुत्रं समित्रं सरिद्दुर्गमध्यस्थरक्षो गणेशम् भवन्तौ विना रामवीरो नरो वासुरो वामरो वा जयेत् कस्त्रिलोक्याम्. Charu, 21st verse. Welcome to Charu and Ishu, our panelists. They will be helping us with Anucharanam today also. Sada Rama Rameti.
Sada Rama Rameti. Sada Rama Rameti.
Ramamritante.
Ramamritam te. Ramamritam te.
Sada Ramamananda.
Sada Ramamananda. Sada Ramamananda.
Nishyandakandam.
Nishyandakandam. Nishyandakandam.
Pibantannamantam.
Pibantannamantam. Pibantannamantam.
Sudantam hasantam.
Sudantam hasantam. Sudantam hasantam.
Hanumantamantarbhaje.
Hanumantamantarbhaje. Hanumantamantarbhaje.
Tannitantam.
Tannitantam. Tannitantam.
Uttamam. So here, Sada Rama Rameti Ramamritante. So here we combine the Sandhi and chant it as Ramamritam plus Te becomes Ramamritante. Next line, we are not supposed to split after Ananda. We split only the first time to just get you familiar with the words. We chant the entire pada together. Sada Rama Mananda Nishyanda Kandam. Then Pibantam Namantam. Here again, Sandhi we combine and chant it as Pibantan Namantam. Sudantam Hasantam. Hanumantamantar Bhaje. Bha Mahaprana. Tam Nitantam. While chanting, we combine the Sandhi and chant it as Tan Nitantam. So all of you, if anybody has joined us newly, if you haven't attended the first class, request you to please go through the video recording. It's available on our course page and YouTube. And please go through the lesson for the first class where we have learned some of these rules of combining Anuswara and Visarga, Upadhmaniya, Jishvamulya, etc. So as we all already know, Anuswara followed by a Vargiya Vyanjanam optionally gets replaced by the Anunasika Akshara of that particular Varga. When I say optionally, what I mean is when you combine the Sandhi, here, for example, Ramamritam plus Te, it becomes Ramamritante. Now, that is a rule of Sandhi happening there. In Vyoma, we consistently follow. Whenever we don't take a pause, we combine the Sandhi. However, it is also correct to chant it as Ramamritam Te. Both are correct. So that we should understand. Also, I wanted to just briefly explain the pronunciation of words like Amritam, Ramamritam, this mr which you see here, because when I make you chant individually, some of you had a doubt. So the way it is pronounced is r. It is that swara r, a, I, u, r. Like Rishihi, Kripa, Krishnaha, that r it is. So we should not chant it as Amrutam. It is not Amrutam. It is not U. No U sound there. Similarly, it is not E also. It is not Amritam. Therefore, if you see in the IAST representation, we don't put U or I there. It is R. It is a swara. The mr here is a gunitaksharam. M plus R. It is not a samyuktaksharam. Ramamritam. Kritantaha in yesterday's lesson. So, kr, mr, we should be very careful about pronouncing such letters. We will do one line at a time. Sada Rama Rameti Ramamritante.
Sada Rama Rameti Ramamritante. Sada Rama Rameti Ramamritante.
Sada Ramamananda Nishyanda Kandam.
Sada Ramamananda Nishyanda Kandam. Sada Ramamananda Nishyanda Kandam.
Pibantannamantam sudantam hasantam.
Pibantannamantam sudantam hasantam. Pibantannamantam sudantam hasantam.
Hanumantamantarbhajetannitantam.
Hanumantamantarbhajetannitantam. Hanumantamantarbhajetannitantam.
Here, second line, Nishyanda, that sh should be pronounced clearly as sh and not as sh. Now we'll do two lines at a time. Sada Rama Rameti Ramamritante. Sada Rama Mananda Nishyanda Kandam.
Sada Rama Rameti Ramamritante. Sada Rama Mananda Nishyanda Kandam. Sada Rama Rameti Ramamritante. Sada Rama Mananda Nishyanda Kandam.
Tamam. Pibantannamantam sudantam hasantam hanumantamantarbhajetannitantam.
Pibantannamantam sudantam hasantam hanumantamantarbhajetannitantam. Pibantannamantam sudantam hasantam hanumantamantarbhajetannitantam.
Now the entire verse. Sada Rama Rameti Ramamritante. Sada Rama Mananda Nishyanda Kandam. Pibantannamantam sudantam hasantam hanumantamantarbhajetannitantam.
Sada Rama Rameti Ramamritante. Sada Rama Mananda Nishyanda Kandam. Pibantannamantam sudantam hasantam hanumantamantarbhajetannitantam. Sada Rama Rameti Ramamritante. Sada Rama Mananda Nishyanda Kandam. Pibantannamantam sudantam hasantam hanumantamantarbhajetannitantam.
Uttamam, Charu, well chanted. Next one, Ishu. Sada Rama Rameti Ramamritante.
Sada Rama Rameti Ramamritante. Sada Rama Rameti Ramamritante.
सदा राममानन्दनिष्यन्दकन्दम्
सदा राममानन्दनिष्यन्दकन्दम् सदा राममानन्दनिष्यन्दकन्दम्
पिबन्नन्वहन्नन्वहम्
पिबन्नन्वहन्नन्वहम् पिबन्नन्वहन्नन्वहम्
नैव मृत्योः
नैव मृत्योः नैव मृत्योः
बिभेमि
बिभेमि बिभेमि
प्रसादादसादात्तवैव
प्रसादादसादात्तवैव प्रसादादसादात्तवैव.
Okay, the first two lines we already learnt in the previous shloka. They are repeating here also. Sada Rama Rameti Ramamritante. When we combine the sandhi, Sada Rama Mananda Nishyanda Kandam. Here, Piban Nanvaham Nanvaham. So when we combine the sandhi, Piban Nanvahan Nanvahan Naiva. Same thing happens here. Anuswara followed by na. Anuswara followed by na. Piban Nanvahan Nanvahan Naiva. Mrityoho. Here again, please note mr. It is not mru, nor is it mri. Mrityoho. Bibhemi. The bha is Mahaprana. Second bha is Mahaprana. Prasadadasadaattavaiva. One line at a time. Sada Rama Rameti Ramamritante.
सदा राम रामेति रामामृतन्ते सदा राम रामेति रामामृतन्ते
सदा राममानन्दनिष्यन्दकन्दम्
सदा राममानन्दनिष्यन्दकन्दम् सदा राममानन्दनिष्यन्दकन्दम्
पिबन्नन्वहं नन्वहन्नैव मृत्योः
पिबन्नन्वहन्नन्वहन्नैव मृत्योः पिबन्नन्वहन्नन्वहन्नैव मृत्योः
बिभेमि प्रसादादसादात्तवैव
बिभेमि प्रसादादसादात्तवैव बिभेमि प्रसादादसादात्तवैव.
Now 2 lines at a time. When we combine the third and the fourth line, if you don't want to stop after the third pada, we can optionally combine it as Mrityor Bibhemi. So Mrityor Bibhemi Prasada Dasada Tavaiva. We will do 2 lines at a time. Sada Rama Rameti Ramamritante Sada Rama Mananda Nishyandakandam.
सदा राम रामेति रामामृतन्ते सदा राममानन्दनिष्यन्दकन्दम् सदा राम रामेति रामामृतन्ते सदा राममानन्दनिष्यन्दकन्दम्
पिबन्नन्वहन्नन्वहन्नैव मृत्योर्बिभेमि प्रसादादसादात्तवैव
पिबन्नन्वहन्नन्वहन्नैव मृत्योर्बिभेमि प्रसादादसादात्तवैव पिबन्नन्वहन्नन्वहन्नैव मृत्योर्बिभेमि प्रसादादसादात्तवैव.
Uttamam. Now the entire verse. सदा राम रामेति रामामृतं ते सदा राममानन्दनिष्यन्दकन्दम् पिबन्नन् वहन्नैव मृत्योर्बिभेमि प्रसादादसादात्तवैव
सदा राम रामेति रामामृतं ते सदा राममानन्दनिष्यन्दकन्दम् पिबन्नन् वहन्नैव मृत्योर्बिभेमि प्रसादादसादात्तवैव सदा राम रामेति रामामृतं ते सदा राममानन्दनिष्यन्दकन्दम् पिबन्नन् वहन्नैव मृत्योर्बिभेमि प्रसादादसादात्तवैव
Uttamam Ishu, well chanted. Next, Charu. The next few verses have a lot of what we call Visarga Repha Sandhi. That is, instead of the Visarga, we get Repha or Ra. And they're very beautiful verses in the sense that you can combine all the lines and chant if you want. If you have that breath control from the first line till the last line, you can combine and chant by combining the sandhis. So we will first learn maybe splitting, and then we will learn one line, and then as we do usually, 2 lines at a time. Charu. Asita sametaihi.
असीता समेतैः
अकोदण्डभूषैः
अकोदण्डभूषैः
असौमित्रिवन्द्यैः
असौमित्रिवन्द्यैः
अचण्डप्रतापैः अलङ्केशकालैः असुग्रीवमित्रैः अरामाभिधेयैः अलन्दैवतैर्नः So, this is a very beautiful usage here where Acharya is saying, refers to, again, it's a samasta padam, where na sita sametaihi, when we combine as a combined compound word, samasta padam, it becomes asita sametaihi. So, everywhere he's saying, I do not want any other Bhagavan apart from Rama. So we see that in every stotram, whichever Bhagavan or Devi we are praising, prostrating to, worshipping, there is ultimate surrender to that particular form, that particular Bhagavan, that particular Devi. So in this stotram, of course, the predominance is to Shri. It is about Sri Rama only. So he's saying here, I do not want anyone else apart from you, Sri Rama. You are my only sole refuge. So when saying that, he puts it in a very beautiful way that Asita Sametaihi, I do not need, or there is no need for anyone who is not this consort of goddess Sita, who is not adorned by Kodanda, who is not worshipped by the son of Sumitra, that is Lakshmana, and who is not endowed with fierce valor, and who is not the death of Ravana, and who is not the friend of Sugriva. So I do not want any such Bhagavan. I do not want any such deity, O Rama. You are everything to me. So the same feeling continues through the next few verses. And very beautifully, he has put it by using the same kind of words throughout the shloka, throughout the verse. Asita sametaihi, akodanda bhushaihi, asaumitri vandyaihi, achanda pratapaihi, alankesha kalaihi, asugriva mitraihi, aramabhidheyaihi, alam daivatairnaha. So here what happens, everywhere the visarga repha sandhi can be done. We only learnt splitting it for you to know the words, but we do not split in the pada. Asita sametaihi, akodanda bhushaihi. When we combine, it becomes asita sametaira kodanda bhushaihi. Similarly, next line, asaumitri vandyaira chanda pratapaihi. Then next line, alankesha kalaira sugriva mitraihi, aramabhidheyairalan daivatairnaha. Here, alam plus daivatairnaha, the anuswara combines with the to form n. So, alan daivatairnaha. Lot of dvitvams also, saumitri, achanda pratapaihi, sugriva mitraihi. So very prominent dvitvams only I have highlighted. We will do one line at a time. Asita sametaira kodanda bhushaihi.
Asita sametaira kodanda bhushaihi. Asita sametaira kodanda bhushaihi.
Asaumitri vandyaira chanda pratapaihi.
Asaumitri vandyaira chanda pratapaihi. Asaumitri vandyaira chanda pratapaihi.
Alankesha kalaira sugriva mitraihi.
Alankesha kalaira sugriva mitraihi. Alankesha kalaira sugriva mitraihi.
Aramabhidheyairalan daivatairnaha.
Aramabhidheyairalan daivatairnaha. Aramabhidheyairalan daivatairnaha.
Uttamam. Now I will chant combining 2 lines at a time. This is an option. If you want to pause after bhushaihi, pratapaihi, mitraihi, it's correct. There is no hard and fast rule that you should combine. But if you are pausing, you chant the visarga completely. If you want to continue chanting, you can chant 2 lines together. And if you can have so much breath control, you can chant the entire shloka together also. First word to the last word, you can chant together. Let us try now 2 lines at a time. Asita sametaira kodanda bhushayra saumitri vandyayra chanda pratapaihi.
Asita sametaira kodanda Asita sametaira kodanda bhushayra saumitri vandyayra chanda pratapaihi. Asita sametaira kodanda bhushayra saumitri vandyayra chanda pratapaihi.
Alankesha kalaira sugriva mitraira ramabhidheyaira landaiva tairnaha.
अलङ्केशकालैरसुग्रीवमित्रैररामाभिधेयैरलन्दैवतैर्नः अलङ्केशकालैरसुग्रीवमित्रैररामाभिधेयैरलन्दैवतैर्नः
Daivatayirnaha. Na. Somehow I heard it as na. It is na. So all of you please note the difference. Na and na. There are two different letters. Daivatayirnaha. Now the entire verse. We'll do one thing. First time we will split after the second and the fourth line. Then we will try to do the entire verse together. Okay, Charu? So once you chant now, then I will teach again with the entire verse together. Asita sametairakodandabhushaira saumitri vandyaira chanda pratapaihi Alankeshakalaira sugriva ramabhideyaira landaivatayirnaha.
सीता समेतैरकोदण्डभूषैरसौमित्रिवन्द्यैरचण्डप्रतापैः अलङ्केशकालैरसुग्रीवमित्रैररामाभिधेयैरलन्दैवतैर्नः सीता समेतैरकोदण्डभूषैरसौमित्रिवन्द्यैरचण्डप्रतापैः अलङ्केशकालैरसुग्रीवमित्रैररामाभिधेयैरलन्दैवतैर्नः
Okay, now we'll see if we can do the entire shloka. Take a deep breath and we can try the first line to the last line. Okay, Charu? Asita sametairakodandabhushaira saumitrivandyaira chanda pratapaira lankeshakalaira sugriva mitraira ramabhideyaira landaivatayirnaha.
सीता समेतैरकोदण्डभूषैरसौमित्रिवन्द्यैरचण्डप्रतापैरलङ्केशकालैरसुग्रीवमित्रैररामाभिधेयैरलन्दैवतैर्नः
Okay, good effort. So this is something we all can try. But a very beautiful verse, isn't it? Even the bhava and the way the words are similarly worded to choose that bhakti, that bhava towards Sri Rama. And the way we can combine the first word till the last word using the sandhis. And all the lines, all the adjectives to Rama, we can combine using Visarga Repha Sandhi. So very beautiful Sahityam here. Next, verse 24. Similarly worded verse, issue. Avirasanaस्थैः
अवीरासनस्थैः
अचिन्मुद्रिकाढ्यैः
अचिन्मुद्रिकाढ्यैः
अभक्ताञ्जनेयादि
अभक्ताञ्जनेयादि
तत्त्वप्रकाशैः
तत्त्वप्रकाशैः
अमन्दारमूलैः
अमन्दारमूलैः
अमन्दारमालैः
अमन्दारमालैः अमन्दारमालैः
अरामाभिधेयैः
अरामाभिधेयैः अरामाभिधेयैः
अलन्दैवतैर्नः
अलन्दैवतैर्नः अलन्दैवतैर्नः
Similarly, now you would have got how the words are avirasanasthaihi, achinmudrikadhyaihi. Tha and here again dha are Mahaprana. When we combine, we chant the entire pada together. Avirasanasthai achinmudrikadhyaihi. Abhaktanjaneyadi tattva prakashaihi. We don't split there. We chant the entire pada together. Bha is Mahaprana. Tattva prakashaihi. Note the dvitvam there. Amandara mulaihi, amandara malaihi. There combining it becomes amandara mulair, amandara malaihi. Aramabhideyairalan daivatairnaha. Bhi and the Mahaprana. Aramabhideyaihi alam. Combining becomes Aramabhideyairalan daivatairnaha. Again here Visarga followed by the alan daivatairnaha. We will do one line at a time. अवीरासनस्थैरचिन्मुद्रिकाढ्यैः
अवीरासनस्थैरचिन्मुद्रिकाढ्यैः अवीरासनस्थैरचिन्मुद्रिकाढ्यैः
अभक्ताञ्जनेयादितत्त्वप्रकाशैः
अभक्ताञ्जनेयादितत्त्वप्रकाशैः अभक्ताञ्जनेयादितत्त्वप्रकाशैः
अमन्दारमूलैरमन्दारमालैः
अमन्दारमूलैरमन्दारमालैः
अरामाभिधेयैरलन्दैवतैर्नः
अरामाभिधेयैरलन्दैवतैर्नः अरामाभिधेयैरलन्दैवतैर्नः
Uttamam. Now we will do 2 lines at a time. अवीरासनस्थैरचिन्मुद्रिकाढ्यैरभक्ताञ्जनेयादितत्त्वप्रकाशैः
अवीरासनस्थैरचिन्मुद्रिकाढ्यैरभक्ताञ्जनेयादितत्त्वप्रकाशैः अवीरासनस्थैरचिन्मुद्रिकाढ्यैरभक्ताञ्जनेयादितत्त्वप्रकाशैः
आमन्दारमूलैरमन्दारमालैररामाभिधेयैरलन्दैवतैर्नः
अमन्दारमूलैरमन्दारमालैररामभिधेयैरलन्दैवतैर्नः अमन्दारमूलैरमन्दारमालैररामभिधेयैरलन्दैवतैर्नः
Uttamam. Now we will do first issue. We will do 2 lines combined, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. You chant it once. Then we will do the entire shloka together like we did for the previous verse. अवीरासनस्थैरचिन्मुद्रिकाढ्यैरभक्ताञ्जनेयादितत्त्वप्रकाशैः आमन्दारमूलैरमन्दारमालैररामाभिधेयैरलन्दैवतैर्नः
अवीरासनस्थैरचिन्मुद्रिकाढ्यैरभक्ताञ्जनेयादितत्त्वप्रकाशैः अमन्दारमूलैरमन्दारमालैररामाभिधेयैरलन्दैव तैर्नः अवीरासनस्थैरचिन्मुद्रिकाढ्यैरभक्ताञ्जनेयादितत्त्वप्रकाशैः अमन्दारमूलैरमन्दारमालैररामाभिधेयैरलन्दैव तैर्नः
Okay, now let's do the entire verse. You can try how much ever you can. Okay. So all of us can take a deep breath and try to chant the entire verse in one breath. अवीरासनस्थैरचिन्मुद्रिकाढ्यैरभक्ताञ्जनेयादितत्त्वप्रकाशैरमन्दारमूलैरमन्दारमालैररामाभिधेयैरलन्दैव तैर्नः
अवीरासनस्थैरचिन्मुद्रिकाढ्यैरभक्ताञ्जनेयाधितत्त्वप्रकाशैरमन्दारमूलैरमन्दारमालैररामाभिधेयैरलन्दैव तैर्नः
Uttama, Nishu.
अवी
Very. You want to do it again?
yeah.
You want to do it again? Yes. Chant. Yeah.
अवीरासनस्थैरचिन्मुद्रिकाढ्यैरभक्ताञ्जनेयादितत्त्वप्रकाशैरमन्दारमूलैरमन्दारमालैररामाभिधेयैरलं दैवतैर्नः
Okay, good effort. So this is very interesting verses these are. I think next one also is like that only. Let's see. Next one. Yes, by Charu. Oh, sorry. सिन्धुप्रकोपैः
असिन्धुप्रकोपैः
अवन्द्यप्रतापैः
अवन्द्यप्रतापैः
अबन्धुप्रयाणैः
अबन्धुप्रयाणैः
अमन्दस्मिताढ्यैः
अमन्दस्मिताढ्यैः
अदण्डप्रवासैः
अदण्डप्रवासैः
अखण्डप्रबोधैः
अखण्डप्रबोधैः
अरामाभिधेयैः
अरामाभिधेयैः
अलन्दैव तैर्नः
अलन्दैव तैर्नः
Tamam. Now please note the Mahapranas. Asindhu, Abandhu, Abandhu Prayanairas Amandasmitadhyaihi. Dha. Next line. Akhanda Prabodhaihi. Kha and Dha. Last line again. Bhi and Dhe. Arama Bhidheyairalan Daiva Tairnaha. Now we will combine the Sandhi and chant each line. And also please note the Dvitvams. Asindhuprakopairabandhuprayanairamandasmitadhyaihi. Here also. So please note how the P and S, whichever letter is there, is doubling. Then adanda pravasai rakhanda prabodhaira ramabhidheyairalan daivatairnaha. One line at a time. Asindhu prakopairavandyap pratapaihi.
असिन्धु प्रकोपैरवन्द्यप्रतापैः असिन्धु प्रकोपैरवन्द्यप्रतापैः
अबन्धु प्रयाणैरमन्दस्मिताढ्यैः
अबन्धु प्रयाणैरमन्दस्मिताढ्यैः अबन्धु प्रयाणैरमन्दस्मिताढ्यैः
अदण्ड प्रवासैरखण्ड प्रबोधैः
अदण्डप्रवासैरखण्डप्रबोधैः अदण्डप्रवासैरखण्डप्रबोधैः
अरामाभिधेयैरलन्दैवतैर्नः
अरामाभिधेयैरलन्दैवतैर्नः अरामाभिधेयैरलन्दैवतैर्नः
Now let's do 2 lines at a time. Asindhu prakopairavandyap pratapairavandhu prayaणैरमन्दस्मिताढ्यैः
असिन्धु प्रकोपैरवन्द्यप्रतापैरबन्धु प्रयाणैरमन्दस्मिताढ्यैः असिन्धु प्रकोपैरवन्द्यप्रतापैरबन्धु प्रयाणैरमन्दस्मिताढ्यैः
अदण्ड प्रवासैरखण्ड प्रबोधैररामाभिधेयैरलन्दैवतैर्नः
अदण्डप्रवासैरखण्डप्रबोधैररामाभिधेयैरलन्दैवतैर्नः अदण्डप्रवासैरखण्डप्रबोधैररामाभिधेयैरलन्दैवतैर्नः
Uttamam. Now the entire verse, like we did for the other 2 verses, first we'll just combine first and second pada, third and fourth pada, then the entire verse together. Asindhu prakopairavandyap pratapairavandhu prayaणैरमन्दस्मिताढ्यैः अदण्ड प्रवासैरखण्ड प्रबोधैररामाभिधेयैरलन्दैवतैर्नः
असिन्धु प्रकोपैरवन्द्यप्रतापैरबन्धु प्रयाणैरमन्दस्मिताढ्यैः अदण्डप्रवासैरखण्डप्रबोधैररामाभिधेयैरलन्दैवतैर्नः
Uttamam. Now let's do together the entire verse. Asindhu prakopairavandyap pratapairavandhu prayaणैरमन्दस्मिताढ्यैरदण्ड प्रवासैरखण्ड प्रबोधैररामाभिधेयैरलन्दैवतैर्नः
असिन्धु प्रकोपैरवन्द्यप्रतापैरबन्धु प्रयाणैरमन्दस्मिताढ्यैरदण्डप्रवासैरखण्डप्रबोधैररामाभिधेयैरलन्दैवतैर्नः
No problem. Good effort. Okay. Now we will quickly recap all the 5 verses we learned today. Sada Rama Rameti Ramamritante Sada Ramamananda Nishyanda Kandam Pibantannamantam Sudantam Hasantam Hanumantamantarbhaje Tannitantam सदा राम रामेति रामामृतं ते सदा राममानन्दनिष्यन्दकन्दम् पिबन्नन्वहन्नन्वहन्नैव मृत्योर्बिभेमि प्रसादादसादात्तवैव असीता समेतैरकोदण्डभूषैरसौमित्रिवन्द्यैरचण्डप्रतापैरलङ्केशकालैरसुग्रीवमित्रैररामाभिधेयैरलन्दैवतैर्नः अवीरासनस्थैरचिन्मुद्रिकाढ्यैरभक्ताञ्जनेयादितत्त्वप्रकाशैरमन्दारमूलैरमन्दारमालैररामाभिधेयैरलन्दैवतैर्नः असिन्धुप्रकोपैरवन्धुप्रयाणैरमन्दस्मिताढ्यैरदण्डप्रवासैरखण्डप्रबोधैररामाभिधेयैरलन्दैवतैर्नः. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Now, I think most of the questions I've already answered during the class. Asita Sametaihi, like I already explained, A refers to Na Sita Sametaihi. When you combine, it becomes Asita Sametaihi. Similarly, Na Kodanda Bhushaihi becomes Akodanda Bhushaihi. So, Shankara Bhagavad Padacharya is saying, I do not want any other deities, anyone else, O Rama, apart from the consort of Sita, apart from the friend of Sugriva, meaning apart from you, O Rama, I don't want anyone else. And in saying that, he is giving multiple adjectives to Rama himself. I explained in detail when I did the 23rd verse. So please, if you listen to that, you will understand better. Okay, now whoever has raised their hand, let's see. We will have some time for chanting today. Janhavi Satish, Bhagini.
Ram Ram Rama.
Ram Ram Ram.
21st verse.
21, yes.
Yes. Sada Rama.
Yes, please continue.
सदा राम रामेति रामामृतं ते सदा राममानन्दनिष्यन्दकन्दम् पिबन्तन्नमन्तं सुदन्तं हसन्तं हनुमन्तमन्तर्भजे तन्नितान्तम्.
Uttamam Bhagini. Well chanted. Also, just an observation which I wanted to share with you. Yes, some of these verses, the breath control becomes even more. We need more control of breath and more practice to chant them. So, many breathing exercises and even, some of the apps we have these days on mindfulness and relaxing and all that, a lot of them prescribe controlled exhalation, controlled inhalation and controlled exhalation, deep, long inhalation and very slower exhalation, meaning the exhalation should be slower than the pace at which we inhale. So you can look up, there is some writing on it, and even in our pranayama practices, that timing is done in Nadi Shuddhi and other pranayamas. If you observe, when we chant verses which need more breath, like we did a few verses today, once you inhale, the exhalation is very controlled automatically. Once you are chanting that verse, the exhalation is slow and controlled. So that is how it becomes a breathing exercise. Chanting becomes a breathing exercise. Okay, next we will see Abhirami Shrikant Bhagini.
राम राम
Ram Ram.
सदा राम रामेति रामामृदन्ते सदा राममानन्दनिष्यन्दगन्तम् पिबन्नन्द्वहं नन्द्वहं नैव मृद्यो बिभेमि प्रसादादसादात्वैव
Prasadadasadat tavaiva.
प्रसादादसादाद्वैव
Abhirami Bhagini, please listen to the recording and see the Sandhi combination and try to incorporate that also. Dhanyavada.
Thank
Next, Uma Devi Bhagini. These verses, I leave it to you. You want to pause after each pada, you can do it. You want to combine two padas, you can do whatever is comfortable for you, you can do.
We'll try, Bhagini.
Yeah.
Asita sametairakodanda bhushaira saumitri vandyaira chanda pratapaihi alankesha kalaira sugriva maitraira ramabhideyaira landaiva tairnaha.
Uttamam Bhagini, Asugriva Mitraihi. Word
Yes,
slightly
yes.
Well done, well done. Vinay Mishra ji. Vinay Mishra Mahodaya.
अशीता समैतैर कोदंड भूषै असौमित्री वंदै अवीराशनस्थैर कोदंड भूषै असौमित्री वंदैर चंड प्रतापहि अलंकेश काल चेंज हो गया क्या?
So I think you had started the previous verse. Let us do 24. Avirasanasthaira chinmudrikadhyaihi. We'll do this.
अलंकेश अवीराशनस्थैर चिन्मुद्रिकाढै अभक्ता जनेयादित तत्व प्रकाशहि अमन्दारमूलैरमन्दारमालहि रामाभिधेयैरलङ्दैवतैर्नहि.
There were a few discrepancies in between Vinay Mahodaya. First of all, the Mahapranas should be more clear. And when you are pausing, the Visarga should be heard clearly. Avirasanasthaira chinmudrikadhyaihi abhaktanjaneyadi tattva prakashaihi amandaramulairamandaramaalaihi aramabhideyairalam daivatairnaha. When we pause, we should chant the Visarga clearly. Please listen to the recording and practice. Dhanyavada.
Yes.
And all of you, there is no need to, if you're having any problem controlling your breath, there is no need to chant the entire verse at a time or even 2 lines at a time. You can just do one pada at a time. So we can take it slow. Just one pada at a time and pause at the Visarga, then go to the next pada. Okay, so all of us will have different, it's different for each person. But only thing is, grammatically, when we pause, we chant the Visarga completely. If you choose not to pause, then you can combine the Sandhi and chant. That's the only thing we have to remember. So we don't have to be overly ambitious and push ourselves too much to do the entire verse at a time. Whatever is comfortable, we will do. Nambi Ramesh Mahodaya.
Yeah, namaste. Am I audible?
Yes, you're able to hear you.
Asindhu प्रकोपैरवन्द्य प्रतापैरबन्धु प्रयाणैरमन्दस्मिताढ्यै रदण्ड प्रवासैरखण्ड रामाभिधेयैरलन्दैवतैर्नः.
Uttama.
Sorry.
No problem at all. Adanda pravasaihi. There I heard some slight difference. Adanda. Another cue is if you want, you can pause after, you can take a short breath after Arama Abhideyairalam. You can take a short breath, Daiva Tairnaha. That is also possible. Or we could just pause after each pada. Dhanyavadaha, Nambi Ramesh Mahodaya. Well chanted. Maybe we will just do 21 to 25 again and stop for today. Dr. Prakash Mohini Mahodaya.
राम राम
Oh, Ram Ram Bhagini.
सदा राम रामेति रामामृतन्ते सदा राममानन्द निष्यन्द कन्दम् पिबन्तं नमन्तं सुदन्तं हसन्तं हनुमन्तमन्तर्भजे तन्नितान्तम्.
Is Hanumanta Mantar Bhaje, not Hanuman. Hanumanta Mantar Bhaje Tan Nitantam.
हनुमन्तमन्तर्भजे तन्नितान्तम्.
Uttamam Bhagini. So the Hanumanta Mantar Bhaje, each letter should be chanted completely. And also, I think there was a question, is it Hanuman or Hanuman? Both are correct. Even in Sundarakanda, we come across both. Even in Srimad Ramayanam, Hanuman and Hanuman both are there. But however, according to this Chandas, we know it is, if you see, it is one short, too long. One short, too long. That is how Laghu, Guru, Guru, Laghu, Guru, Guru. That is how this Chandas goes. In this Chandas, we have to chant it as Hanumanta Mantar Bhaje only. And also, these are the words of Acharya. Our Shankara Bhagavat Padacharya has given us that. We cannot change that. Okay, so some shlokas, other shlokas by others. And like I said, in Ramayanam itself, I think some places it is Hrasva, some places Dirgha. But this verse and this shloka, whatever Acharya has given us, we have to chant that. And also according to the Chandas, like I said, it has to be Hanumanta Mantar Bhaje. It can't be Hanumantam. It will not go according to the Chandas. Okay. Then Sarita Bhagini. Sarita Garg Bhagini.
Yeah, namaste.
Namaste.
सदा राम रामेति रामामृतन्ते सदा राममानन्द निष्यन्द कन्दम् पिबन्नन् वहन्नैव मृत्योर्बिभेमि प्रसादादसादात् तवैव.
Ma'am, you're on mute.
राम 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 राम
Ram
am I
Ram.
audible ma'am?
Yes, you are audible. Sorry, I was on mute. I didn't realize.
Uh,
Yeah, I mean, I'm not sure if the previous verse, what I said was heard. Bibhemi prasada dasadat tavaiva. So the bibhemi, the dvitvam should be clearer. Bibhemi prasada dasadat tavaiva. That's what I said. Sorry, I think I was on mute. Now you can chant the 23rd verse, Sita ji.
हाँ असीता समेतैरकोदण्डभूषै असौमित्रवन्द्यैरचण्ड प्रतापैरलङ्केशकालैरसुग्रीवमित्रै रामाभिधैर्यैरलन्दैर्वतैर्नः.
First of all, Sita Bhagini, it is Asaumitri, not Asaumitra, Asaumitri. And also, because you are pausing after each line, please chant the Visarga completely. So what happened was you were chanting Akodanda Bhushai Rasaumitri. That is not right to chant like that. If you choose to
Okay.
chant Ra, you should not pause there. So please pause after each line. Akodanda Bhushai.
Okay.
The Visarga should be chanted completely. Similarly,
I'll repeat it.
that's okay, Bhagini, because we
Okay.
have more people
Okay.
to. Sorry
Uh,
about that. So please,
Okay.
this is for everyone. Once we pause, we should not again say Rasaumitri. We should say Akodanda Bhushaihi. Then Asaumitri Vandyai Rachanda Pratapaihi. So like I said, please pause after the pada, chant the Visarga completely, and then chant the next word. Aramabhidherairalam Daivatairnaha. Dhanyavadaha.
Okay.
Should never pause and start with ra. That would be wrong. Next. Shivaraman Krishnamurti Mahodayah.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram.
Dhanyavada Badani. Super training.
Dhanyavadaha. Yes.
अवीरासनस्थैरचिन्मुद्रिकाढ्यैरभक्ताञ्जनेयादि प्रकाशैः रामाभिधेयैरलन्दैवतैर्नः.
Uttamam, good effort, Mahodaya. I'm sure you know the rules of splitting and when we should chant the Visarga. We've done it many times. So all of you please try to follow those, and when you pause, chant the Visarga completely, and then you can take the next word. Dhanyavadaha. Well
Dhanyavada.
chanted. Okay. Next, Manasvi Sharma Bhagini.
Hari Om Bhagini. Ram Ram Ram.
Hari Om Ram Ram Ram.
Yes, Bhagini.
Sorry?
Bhagini, I am not able to see the 25 shloka.
You're not able to see, but I have put the 24 shloka only on the screen.
Now I can see, Mahodaya.
Are you in school? Are you studying in school?
Yes, Mahodaya.
Which class?
7th class, Mahodaya.
Very good. Where do you study? Which city?
Maharashtra.
Oh, wonderful. You're joining from Maharashtra. Very good. Yes, please chant Manasvi.
Sindhu Prakopaira Pratapaira Prayanairamandasmitadhyaihi Adanda Pravasaira Khanda Prabodhaira Ramabhidheyairalam Daivatainaha.
Uttamam, very well chanted. So, if possible, please combine the sandhi Aramabhidheyairalan Daivatairnaha. Okay, you have to chant it half there when you combine together. Manasvi, do you study Sanskrit also?
Yes, Mahodaya.
Oh, that is why you know the rules of sandhi and all that.
Yes, Mahodaya.
Uttamam. So, on Ramanavami Day, Sri Ramanavami Day, we will have a Samarpanam, an offering of this Stotram, whatever we have learned to Bhagavan Sri Rama. All children who are attending this course, and parents and children, if you are attending, please send me an email, brinda.vyoma@gmail.com. And if you wish to chant that day, then you will have to send it to me by today, because we just have 2 more days left. If your chanting is good, if you're chanting without mistakes, then maybe you can chant a few verses on that day, on Sri Ramanavami Day. The first preference will be for children. So please, all of you young attendants, whoever is there, parents can send me an email and let me know if you're interested to chant on that day. Okay. Uttamam Manasvi, well done. Please practice the stotra well, and also please memorize it. Okay?
Yes, Mahodaya. Dhanyavadaha. Hari Om Ram Ram.
Ram Ram. Okay, we will conclude with Shanti Mantraha. Tomorrow we will have only 4 verses, so we'll have more time for individual chanting. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। राम राम राम। श्वः सार्ध षड्वादने पुनर्मिलामः। We will meet tomorrow at 6:30 AM in IST, and we will continue learning. We will complete the stotra tomorrow. सर्वेभ्यः धन्यवादाः। धन्यवादाः इषु चारु। श्वः पुनर्मिलामः। राम राम राम।